Pangaea, the sacred land. During the beginning of time, all the continents were one, called Pangaea. Animals ruled this world, Earth, but the human race was rising up slowly. A few years later, the humans made tools and obtained more power in this Pangaea world. Some of the animals were terrified of the rise of the humans, so they revolted against them, attacked them, hunted them, and tried to kill them. The other groups of animals protected the humans with their lives because they didn't believe in genocide. Almost all the humans were extinct. There was one group of humans protected by cheetahs, white tigers, polar bears, grizzly bears, lions, eagles, and apes. They were called the Protectors. One day, they are walking through a rainforest in the middle of enemy territory in search of the sacred land where animals and humans live peacefully together. They are halfway through the rainforest. Two cheetahs are up in front, making sure the path is safe and clear. They quietly stalk the green area around. With the trees to their advantage, they take to them, jumping from branch to branch. The humans are surrounded by the Protectors, walking with caution. Then the cheetahs jump down to the wet soil and sprint back. They're coming this way. Raya, assemble your white tigers to attack. Give them time to detour another way, Enyo the cheetah says. Raya nods and she takes off running, followed by her white tigers. Enyo follows. Farther down, Raya spots the destroyers. Enyo, Raya, and her army attacks the enemy while the humans and the Protectors escape. Go on without us, Enyo. We'll hold them off, Raya says. Enyo nods and starts running. A tiger jumps to attack him when Raya tackles the tiger. Enyo meets up with the group. Gaia, the female cheetah, jumps down from the trees next to Enyo. The whole destroyer army is between us and the bridge, Gaia says. We'll run through it. We don't have enough soldiers to win. Get a group of them to protect the humans. The rest of us will give them time to escape, Enyo says. As the enemy approaches, all the Protectors yell, "We shall fight for them!" They all run towards the destroyers except a small group that stays with the humans. Enyo watches as his grizzly bears attack the black bears. His polar bears collide with the panda bears. His lions tackle the black panthers, and a few cheetahs fight off the leopards. Enyo and Gaia run alongside the humans. Leon the lion meets up with them. We will form a circle around them, sir, Leon says. Before they can, they are attacked. The humans run past the battle again, but this time, one of the humans trips the other. But they said I can live if I give them the Protectors and the humans. So, I am sorry, Tanner, Vulcan the human says. Enyo pounces on Vulcan and helps Tanner up. They run through the moist soil and feel the cold rain begin to pour. As they exit the rainforest, they feel the warm, dry dirt of the prairie. They see the bridge. They all run towards the bridge to the sacred land when Vulcan runs out of the rainforest. He pulls out an axe from his pants and throws it at Tanner. Enyo looks back and sees the axe. He jumps just in time and falls to the ground. The sharp axe pierces his ribs and blood pours to the grass. Vulcan pulls out a small dagger and chases the humans. One of the humans sees Enyo bleeding. Vulcan catches up to Tanner when Gaia pounces on him and digs her sharp teeth into his neck, killing him. The humans run across the bridge. Gaia sees the destroyers gaining on them. As the humans slowly make it across the bridge, they are greeted by 4 polar bears. They are the guardians of the sacred land. The destroyers are almost upon the bridge. Destroy the bridge! I'll hold them off for as long as I can, Gaia yells. The polar bear nods and starts chewing the rope. Gaia runs straight at the destroyers. She pounces on a tiger, tackles a leopard, and kills a black panther. A black bear knocks her over. A panda bear tackles her and then knocks her to the ground again. They bind her and take her away as prisoner. She is dazed, but sees the bridge break, sending some of the destroyers to their death. The destroyers leave Enyo bleeding in the prairie. Gaia tries to yell out to him, but passes out. Enyo looks up to see the humans safe. They have completed their mission. get the humans to the sacred land at all costs. They have succeeded. For now. Thank you for tuning into this podcast. If you guys want to find out more about my published books, you guys can head over to Amazon, where I have 2 kids' books currently published. And if you have Amazon Kindle, you can get these books for free. So head on over to Amazon.com, check out Justin Vandermark author page, and you'll find both my books, or head to the description below. Thank you for watching it, guys.